how to transfer money between TD bank accounts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to move money between your TD bank accounts, well, in today's video, I'll show you how you can do it. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside the web browser, you can simply click on the search bar and simply search for TD Bank. And now here, once you do that on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the TD Bank. Now here on this interface, you can just click on login and from the drop down menu, you can simply select online banking and after that will be prompted to the login screen. Now there you simply have to enter your username and password to log in to your account. And here, once logged in on the main dashboard, you can simply click on transfer or move money option. And here, once you do that, you can simply select the account you want to transfer money from and then pick the account that you want to send it to. And both must be TD accounts under your name. And after that, you simply have to enter the amount you want to transfer, and you can also choose whether to send it now or schedule it for a future date. So here, just double check your details and then click confirm and submit to complete the transfer. And after that, you will see a confirmation once it's done. And that's it. That's how you can transfer money between your TD bank accounts. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.